This is CareerSwipe, and I made it for the Youth Code X AI Hackathon under the Career Planning track. When I take any other career quiz, it's either 50 questions long, it takes forever to finish, and it gives results so complicated that it just leaves with more questions than answers. So that's why I made CareerSwipe, a simple, easy to use website that can give you accurate careers that's fitted for you. Here's the homepage, and you just click Start Swiping, and you can begin. When you press Start Swiping, you're presented with this. It shows you the name of a career, the salary range, how remote it is, the education required to have a career like this, and then the stress factors that come with it, and a small description of the career. Now, if you like a career, you can swipe right, or you could press the like button. If you don't like a career, you can swipe left or press the X button. But if you really like a career and you think that you might do it, and you're like quite certain you might do it, you can do something known as a super like. If you swipe up, a star appears, and that's a super like. Or you could super like by pressing this right here. As you can see, while I'm swiping, the AI is learning and it's seeing what I'm into. As you can see, the AI has found out that I'm more into problem solving, technology, and healthcare. There's also a special blind mode. Now, blind mode is designed to not show you the name of the career and the education required. It just shows the description, the stress level, and how remote it is. This feature is used to show you the careers you actually like, and it also filters out the careers you think you like. So it just shows you what you're really into. Now, I think I'll swipe a bit more, not too much, but like a bit more. And I think now it's time that we see our results. So now here is the results page. It shows me the total swipes I did, how many I liked, and how many I super liked. Now over here is the career DNA. It shows me my unique career profile, which shows the things that what I'm like in a career, what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a high income, mm, high creativity, high education, not so social and not so flexible, and a high flexibility job. And this is tailored to anyone who joins. So this might be different for you or anyone else. It's us. Now, on the right, you can see what I'm gravitated towards more, the type of jobs that attracted me the most. As you can see, problem solving is at the top of it. Now, below that is my AI career matches. It shows how much I am linked to how much I match with the careers I've chosen. So it shows I have a 99% match to be a biomedical engineer. Now, if I click on a day in your future, on one of these cards, this is where the AI comes in. It's called the Grok API with Llama 3.370B and generates a personalized paragraph based on my specific swipe profile. It's not just a generic description of the job, it is written around what I actually swiped on. Like for me, it's talking about independence, independent problem solving, and creative work because that's what my swipe showed. Okay. And now there's also something known as a battle mode. Now, now the battle mode gives you two careers head to head, and you can vote on which one you think wins before seeing the actual data breakdown. It's a good way to compare specific things. So I have therapist or software engineer. So if I click software engineer, it just gives uh, the more popular pick. So software engineer was more popular because it had a higher income, lower stress rate, more remote work. It's more flexible, has a better growth ceiling, and also has a better job stability. S- So the way it all works technically, the recommendation engine is custom built. Every swipe updates a preference profile with weighted scores. Super likes count more, dislikes go to negative, and then it ranks all 60 careers against that profile. The AI part is a Next.js API route that sends your profile to Grok and gets back the personalized text. Everything else runs in the browser with local storage, so there's no backend or login needed. It's deployed on Vercel. Yeah, so that's basically it. The whole thing takes like 5 minutes to get actual results, which was kind of the point. So I hope you can find your career off of this.